Well, this is my third review and probably the last for this subject. A real-time database index management method for fast access to massive data of power system. Real-time database are traditional databases that use an extension to give the additional power to yield reliable responses. They use timing constraints that represents a certain range of values for which the data are valid. This range is called temporal validity. A conventional database cannot work under these circumstances because the inconsistencies between the real world objects and the data that represents them are too severe. For simple modifications, an effective system needs to be able to handle time-sensitive queries, return only temporally valid data, and support priority scheduling. To enter the data in the records, often a sensor or an input device monitors that state the physically system and updates the database with new information to reflect the physical system more accurately. When designing a real-time database system, one should consider how to represent valid time, how facts are associated with real-time system. Also, consider how to represent attribute values in the database so that process transactions and data consistencies are no violations. When designing a system, it is important to consider what the system should do when deadlines are not met. For example, an air traffic control system constantly monitors hundreds of aircraft and makes decisions about incoming flights, paths, and determines the order in which aircraft should land based on data such as fuel, altitude, and speed. If any of this information is late, the result could be devastating. To address issue of obsolete data, the timestamp can support transactions by providing clear time references. Traditional databases are persistent but are incapable of dealing with dynamic data that constantly changes. Therefore, another system is needed. Real-time databases may be modified to improve accuracy and efficiency and to avoid conflict. By providing deadlines and wait periods to ensure temporal consistency. Real-time databases systems offer a way of monitoring a physical system and representing it in data streams to a database. A data stream, like memory, fades over time. In order to guarantee that the freshest and most accurate information is recorded, there are a number of ways of checking transactions to make sure they are executed in the proper order. An online auction house provides an example of a rapidly changing database. Now, database systems are faster than they were in the past. In the future, we can look forward to even faster database systems. Although we have faster systems, now, an effort to reduce misses and tardy times will still be beneficial. The ability to process results in a timely and predictable manner will always be more important than fast processing. Fast processing that is misapplied is not helpful for real-time databases systems. Transactions that run faster still sometimes block in such a way that they have to be aborted and restarted. In fact, faster processing hurts some real-time applications because increased speed brings more complexity and more of a chance for problems caused by a variance of speed. Faster processing makes it harder to determine which deadlines have been met successfully. With future database systems running even faster than ever, there is a need to do more studies so we can continue to have efficient systems. The amount of research studying real-time database systems will increase because of commercial applications, such as web-based auction houses like eBay. More developing countries are expanding their phone systems, and the number of people with cell phones in the United States, as well as other places in the world, continues to grow. Also likely to spur real-time research is the exponentially increasing speed of the microprocessor. This also enables new technologies such as web video, conferencing, and instant messenger conversations in sound and high-resolution video, which are reliant on real-time database systems. Studies of temporal consistency result in new protocols and timing constraints with the goal of handling real-time transactions more effectively. Well, thank you, and that is my final review. Hope you have learned something good. Thank you. Thank you.